Cats can provide a number of benefits to their owners. They can offer companionship, reduce stress, and even help to improve heart health. They can also be a source of amusement and entertainment. However, it is important to remember that cats are still living creatures with their own needs. Before getting a cat, it is important to be prepared to provide them with food, water, shelter, and veterinary care. You should also be prepared to offer them plenty of love and attention. Cats are known for their independent nature. They can be affectionate companions, but they also enjoy spending time alone. Cats communicate through vocalizations, such as meowing, purring, and hissing, as well as body language.